In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I got my first sale on affiliate marketing using free traffic. So if you are a beginner and you are struggling, you didn't make any commission yet, make sure to watch this video because I will share with you my methods and my strategies that helped me to get my first sale using free traffic just from Facebook and Instagram. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to start making some commissions from today. If you follow those steps that I will share with you, you guys can make your first commission from today. Okay, anyway, in just last month I made $17,125, as you can see, in commissions, and it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, and I will share with you now in this video the method that I used to get my first sale on affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. Just sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And here you go. This will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down and go to over here to company and click on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr. So we will start promoting services as an affiliate marketers with Fiverr, and this affiliate marketing business is profitable. Okay, from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying some good commissions. For example, if a person buy a service from you, you will earn commission. If this person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, you will make commission from every transaction this person will make. Okay, which makes this business really profitable. Anyway, you guys just need to click here on join now, and here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. And choose your country from here and choose your language. Okay, after you finish, you can also put your Skype here if you have Skype account. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. You guys can see that the sign up process is super easy. It's so simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting using free traffic from Facebook and Instagram, and they will share with you my first service that got me my first sale on affiliate marketing with using free traffic, of course. Okay, so pay close attention. What you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to this home page and search for this service. Search for Simpson. Okay, search for Simpson Portrait, this one. Okay, this is the service that got me my first sale on affiliate marketing, and I will show you how. Okay, pay close attention. Search for this Simpson Portrait service, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. As you can see, what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers. You can choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, and top rated sellers. Sellers who have those levels are good sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so for example, like this one, I will portray style the Simpson and Rick Mont, like this one. Let me see. Like this one is really good. You guys can see this one is good. So this one is level 2 seller. I will choose this one. Okay, so I will just click on this service like this. Just click on the service that you want to choose, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. So what you need to do next, you just need to copy this seller profile link. Okay, copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next is you just need to start promoting this affiliate link using free traffic to people who will be interested to buy this service about Simpson pottery. Okay, and I will show you how. So what you will do next, just go back to Facebook, go and open your Facebook homepage like this. Click on the search. Okay, click on the search over here, search for Simpson. Okay, search for Simpson like this. You have here filters, scroll down and click on groups. Okay, like this, click on groups. We need Simpson groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Simpson groups here that you guys need to join, so make sure to join all those groups. So let's choose, for example, one group. I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see, old Simpson clips. I'm gonna choose this one, for example. So just click on the group that you want to use, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who will be interested to buy this service from you. Okay, about Simpson, those people love this Simpson cartoon. They are posting pictures here on this group and they will be interested. I'm telling you from my experience, this is how I got my first sale. This is the service that helped me to got my first sale on affiliate marketing. Okay, with Fiverr. So if you scroll down, you have a lot of people here who will be interested. Okay, you guys can see. So what you will do next, so you can see how many people they like this cartoon, this cartoon movie, or whatever you want to call it. So here is what you will do. Okay, so let's pick, for example, like this person. I will click on his name and I will click on message. Okay, so I will send a professional message to this person about this service and ask him if he is interested to turn his picture, his personal picture, into a Simpson portrait. Okay, so what you will do to create a professional message, go to ChatGPT, go to Google, search for ChatGPT and use ChatGPT. So what you will do, guys, next, like I said, go to ChatGPT and ask him this message. Create a professional message that I can send to ask him this question. Create a professional message that I can send to people who love Simpson cartoon to buy a Simpson portrait service and turn their pictures into Simpson portrait. And just click here, and ChatGPT will create a professional and friendly message that you can, that you guys can send to those people. Okay, you see. Are you a fan of Simpson? Imagine seeing yourself as a part of this. With our Simpson portrait service, we'll transform your favorite photo into a custom-made Simpson style cartoon. A good and a professional message. So I will just copy this message. Okay, like this, you guys can see. And what I will do next, I will go back to Facebook and you will put this message here. Okay, and here you guys need to put your affiliate link. Okay, I'm gonna do this. So here we need to put our affiliate link. So what we will do, we will go back to our Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. So if you guys just started this business and you have new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Just copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link, so you guys can go to Google and search for Bitly if you want to turn your affiliate link into short link. For me, I like to make them short links to look more professional and branding. I will just click on create new link and I will put my affiliate link here, and I will click on create your link, and I'm gonna get a short affiliate link, and here you go. Copy this link. I will go back to Facebook and I will put this link here. Okay, you guys can see it's super easy. So after you finish, just click on send. Okay, and here you go. You guys also, to convince those people, to convince those people and to make them to turn those people into customers and they will really buy this service from you, you guys can also send some proof, okay, like those example pictures. Okay, you guys can see this one. Click on this picture and send this picture as an example. Okay, you guys can see like this seller turn those pictures, you can see those pictures, this seller turn those pictures into Simpson portrait. You can see here, you can see this one here, this person is the same person, the Simpson portrait here, this one it's here, this one here, and so like this one here who's smoking is also here. You can see, copy. So just double click on the picture, click on save image. Okay, click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, click on save, go back to Facebook, and you can also send this picture as an example. Okay, you can click here on attach file and you can send this picture as an example. Let me show you. Let's go to download Simpson portrait. This one, you can see this one is as an example. I will click, if you click on open, you can send this as an example so this person can see what he will get from your service. Okay, like this, and here you go. You see, this is exactly the service that helped me to earn my first commission. It's exactly the same service, and you can see that you have here a lot of people who love this Simpson cartoon. Okay, this is the next method that you guys can use. Also, you can I'm gonna delete this. You can click here on write something and you can post, you can create a post that you can publish in this group. So I will click here to upload my picture. I will upload the first picture, this one about Simpson portrait. You guys can see. I will click on open and here you go, your picture here. So what you will do next, you need to create a good message here. I will go to ChatGPT, okay, and I will copy this message. I will copy this message and I will go back to Facebook and they will put this message here. Okay, you see, good message, and here ready to see yourself as a Simpson. Click on link. You will delete this. Okay, you don't need to put a link here. Okay, in your this group. Okay, let people send you a message, people who are interested to send you a message. Okay, it's super easy to get started. Just send us your photo and we will handle the rest. Feel free to message me if you have any question. Let's make your cartoon dream reality. It's a professional good message, and here you go. This is the picture about Simpson, and you are promoting this service to people who will be interested to buy the service from you. This is, I'm telling you, this service is working. Okay, it worked for me. This is exactly how I got my first sale, using this Facebook group and using this service. If you focus on this service, you can make so much money just with this one. Okay, click on post and this post will be published. People who are interested in this group, you guys can see here, let me show you. You guys can see here we have over 200k members. Okay, a lot of there is so much people, thousands of people here join this group. Why? Because they love this Simpson cartoon, so they will be interested to buy this portrait service. Okay, you will go also to go to Instagram. Let me show you. Go and open your Instagram account. Click on the search for Simpson. Okay, search for Simpson, and here you go. 1.8 million followers. You see how many people are interested in this cartoon. You guys can see it's close to 2 million followers, the Simpson. So those people are your customers. Those people who like those photos and those videos are your customers. If you click on this reel, on this post, let me show you. So those people who comment here and who likes this this post about Simpson, a lot of people here will be interested to buy Simpson portrait from your affiliate link. You just need to do it correctly, and you need to know exactly how to convince those people. Okay, send good messages, send proof of pictures, go and learn marketing. If you are struggling with, if you didn't make any commission with this method, You guys know that you are the problem. Because the business model is clear. Okay, it's working. If you have a lot of people here who love this Simpson cartoon. Okay, you can click also on those likes, and you can see those people who like this Simpson uh, post on Instagram. You guys can see. So what you will do, for example, on Instagram, for me, if I started again from scratch, I will create a business Instagram account, and they will go to Fiverr, and they will post all those pictures about Simpson portrait. I have a lot of pictures here. I will download those pictures to my laptop, and they will post those pictures in my Instagram posts. Okay, so those people who love Simpson cartoon, I will go back and I will follow those people, and those people will see the notification of that I'm following those people. They will check my profile. They will see Simpson portraits there. If they are interested, people who will be interested, they will message you for sure. And this is exactly what I did. Okay, and that's it. You create business account, and if a person he is interested, then you can go back. You can go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link, and send your affiliate link to those people. Okay, and you have a lot. You can see how many people here provide this service. You have a lot of pictures that you can use. You can also use videos. You can download those videos, and you can put those videos on your Instagram page, and you have a lot. Okay, you see, like this one also is good. And that's it. This is exactly how I got my first sale on affiliate marketing using free traffic. Guys, you guys see that it's working. Okay, it's already working, because those people are your customers. You just need to convince those people. Look how many people love this post. Okay, you see, let's go back, and you can see those groups. Look how many groups you have for free traffic. Guys, it's free traffic. You don't need to invest any money to target interested the audience who will be interested to buy this service from you. You already have it on your Facebook account. Okay, we have this group about Spanish. You guys also can use Spanish groups. You can also make a lot of money from this one. You can see the people are posting pictures here about Simpson. Let's scroll down. You can see. You can go to ChatGPT and ask him, for example, if you want to target Spanish people, turn this message into Spanish. Here you go. Okay, you have also, you can target Spanish people who speak Spanish. Okay, use ChatGPT, will help you a lot. And that's it. So if you guys have any question, leave it in the comments. Go and you really should get your first sale using this method. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested to get more details and take this business seriously, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, in this video description, and they will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos.